I love Sanibel and Captiva because it's just so beautiful. It's got nature and water. It's a nice quiet area that we live in, and it has wonderful vegetation. But this was the first hurricane that I had been through that was this bad. It was a Category 5. It was insane, but I've learned that any amount of water at all is enough to cause damage. So we had about 3.5 feet of storm surge, and that was enough to reach the mattresses. It took about 5 guys to move each mattress, and then there was about 3 to 4 inches of just muck that was left. It was slippery and gross, and it was not a pleasant time at all. So the recovery was long. I'm still going through recovery. It's had to replace all the floors, had to cut all the drywall at 4 feet, and I didn't want to put in drywall. I don't like to do things that aren't sustainable. So I figured if we had it again, I was just going to have to tear it out, throw it away, and start all over again. So I went on the internet and started searching around to see what other products were available. And that's when I found EnduraFlood. I was looking up other products, sustainable products, and products that I wouldn't have to replace if it ever happened again. I wanted to make sure that if it ever did happen again, that I would be able to, have a quicker and easier cleanup. I didn't have a contractor. I had a friend. He and I ended up doing all the work ourselves. It was a little challenging in the beginning, as any project is. You have to get your wits about you and figure out how the system works. But as soon as we did, it was very simple to finish off. I did have some plumbing work. I had to have the whole house replumbed. And with that, I had 47 holes cut in the drywall until they got down here. And then they just took the panels off and did the work that they needed to do. And then I could put the panels back up. So it's been genius. Was it costing the same or less than putting up drywall? So that was definitely a plus. The sustainability of EnduraFlood is amazing. And the fact that it could be painted. I used the wainscoting in one room, and then I used the smooth panels in the bedrooms to change the look of things. Well, I think it looks amazing. I've had people come in and they're awed. The house next door put it in, and 2 or 3 of my other neighbors down the road have used it as well. They all have loved it as well. It's a great product.